channel and today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a shop with me at the Dollar Tree. So if you saw my last video, you're probably like, Syria, that was fast. In my last video I talked about how for as long as it takes, I have filled up a box of craft supplies and I'm not going to buy anything new until that box is empty. I am sticking to that. Hear me out. So first of all, before the new year, I went to Dollar Tree to see if all their Valentine's Day stuff was out because I am a part of a Valentine's Day swap. And so I did mention in the video that I am allowed to spend on any collabs as needed. Anyway, so I went into Dollar Tree and they did have some really cute Valentine's Day stuff out. So I thought that I would just pull my phone out and go ahead and film some. Real quick, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. I put out regular Disney content. Probably not a whole lot of shop with me's coming out after this one. It'll be more like a window shop with me because I won't be buying anything. But I do lots and lots of Dollar Tree crafts, and I'm trying to kind of stretch your dollar as far as it'll go. Disney DIYs, things like that. So if you're interested, please subscribe, ring that little notification bell so that you don't miss out when my next video comes out. And without further ado, let's jump into this video.
So starting off with just actual Valentine's, Dollar Tree had a ton of choices. They had Sophia the First, and they had Minions, they had Minnie Mouse, I'm going to show you guys some close-ups of some other ones, and then they just had kind of some basic ones. They had Shopkins, My Little Pony, and then they had Paw Patrol, Toy Story 4, Avengers. I'm going to give you guys kind of a close-up. Most of these did come with class sets. Now the ones that are more like current don't come with anything extra. It's just those little cards, but some of these did come with like other stuff. So they did have Frozen 2, they had LOL, and then they also had Minnie Mouse. But again, these packs of 32 only come with the cards. There's not like any candy inside or anything like that. But for another $1, you could just buy a pack of suckers. And then these are original Frozen, so like Frozen 1, and they do come with these tattoo lollipops, but they also only come with 12. So for a full class set, my guess is that you probably need 2. I did find some Finding Dory ones that were really cute, and they came with stickers. And then these princess ones came with some scented bookmarks that like detach from the Valentine, so like every kid gets one. And then I also found these Spider-Man ones, and these actually came with like a little miniature button, which I thought was kind of cool. So moving on to things that are just kind of like little party favors, they had some sunglasses, some slinkies, little like princess rings. They had these cool little lunchbox containers I thought were really cute. Maybe if you're trying to do like a little gift basket for your kid. And then they had these clear heart containers, which I loved. I literally was like, ears maybe? They have those headbands with the little springy hearts on top, some beaded necklaces. I think these would make a really cool trim on a pair of Mickey ears, but I'm also trying not to spend money, so. And then I wanted to show you guys some new gift bags that I saw. These are literally $1, and they're like the same kind you get at Walmart for quadruple the price. And then here's just some extra stuff. I saw some cute little signs, some makeup stuff, and then some children's books that were Valentine's themed and more Valentines. These candies were Frozen 2. No idea if they actually taste good, but they're like little chocolate boxes. And then these were so cute. They're these little fortune cookies, and they have messages inside. So they are like Valentines, and they come in a pack of 10. I thought they were so cute. They're just foam fortune cookies. These little mailboxes are adorable. These ones are cardstock, and then there are some metal ones as well. But these were like nesting boxes, so there's larger ones, then medium, and then small. You can kind of see it here with the hot pink ones stacked on top of each other, and they had different styles. And then these are like little gift boxes or gift bags. They're kind of a combination of the two, I guess, but you can use these for a billion different things. You could make like a little floral arrangement. These are just little picks with some sparkly hearts, and then also some nice fake roses. I love these little glass jars, and I've seen tons of other channels turning these into like centerpieces, like gluing a candlestick holder on the bottom. They did have some really cool LED rope lights. I thought these would also look cool in those glass jars. And then here's some Valentine's containers. These look like little paint jars. I thought they were so cute. And then they had some plastic wine glasses. as well as some flower vases. All of this stuff right here was plastic. They've got some cups and then these really cute reusable straw cups. They even had one with a little red truck on it, but it's like Valentine's themed instead of Christmas. Some little tote containers. Again, if you're gonna make like a little gift basket maybe for someone. Some heart-shaped bowls for snacks and little baskets. And then this isn't specifically Valentine's, but they did put out their new organization section, and I love this section. I love the colors. I love all of the different ways of, you know, just organizing yourself. This is where I can like end up spending like 20 bucks without even blinking. But they had these little miniature drawers, great for like, you know, tiny craft supplies. And then I did pick up 2 of these for Cala's Legos. They're these little clear containers, and then they have a separate storage on the top where you could put like the little Lego people and their accessories. I thought that that was super useful. And then next, again, not really Valentine's, but I thought these were too cute not to show you guys. So they're these little garden fairy houses, and they were pretty nice quality considering they were only $1. They had lots of different styles and types. Some were like kind of sweets oriented, some were plants, some were vegetables. But if you've got like a little garden or you're gonna set a little fairy garden up, this was a lot more cost effective than going to, you know, Michael's or Joann's. This was like a little plate that you can set a planter on top of, and it's got kind of like an ice cream edging on it. And then these were the little pieces that you could get with it. They had like a little gnome set. They've got some mushrooms. They did have some little kind of like animal characters, some fairies, and then they also had this cute little chair and table set. And then moving on to some Valentine's arts and crafts, they've got these little paint palettes that actually come with a little miniature easel. That's pretty cute. They've got rose petals for fillers. Lots and lots of sticker and ribbon choices. These little stickers have little googly eyes. I thought that was pretty cute. And then some more craft stuff, but instead of painting, these you can fill in with markers. I really liked the I love you envelope. And then they've got some window clings as well as some more stickers and little things that your kids could paint. And then here are some more of their ribbon choices that they have out. These are the thinner ribbons. I did pick up a couple of these for my Valentine's Day box. And then they also had some really cute Valentine's themed tulle. Some more stickers. I really like these ones because they're like those little conversation hearts, which those remind me of Valentine's Day more than anything. And then they did have confetti, more heart stickers, including some with glitter on them. And then they did also have these scarves, which I literally knocked onto the floor and picked all up, don't worry. And then their flower selection is back out. I love Dollar Tree's flower selection. They have really stepped up their game. I feel like pretty much no need to go to an actual craft store anymore. And of course they've got tons of stuff for Valentine's Day, lots of roses in different colors, and some with even little like baby's breath embellishments and things like that. And then I did want to show you guys these because oh my gosh, I did pick some of these up. They're absolutely gorgeous. They are like flocked and kind of not frosted but like flocked florals. They've got like lavender miniature succulents, and they're just really pretty, and I feel like these are super on trend right now, and for $1, I mean, you just can't beat that. And then next I did find these fuzzy socks. These were so soft, like so soft. I almost bought a pair for myself, but I did not need them, and as you guys know, I am not spending on anything besides maybe a swap box. And then just some more tulle and ribbon to show you guys. And then this next thing is not Valentine's, but I did want to show you. It's a decal, and they had Elsa's crown as well as Olaf, and I thought that you could use these kind of from a past tutorial where I used a decal on a pair of ears. I'll have it linked in the description box below. And then in their sticker section, I did want to show you guys, they've got planner stickers, Frozen stickers, they had Lion King, and they also had some Toy Story 4 stickers, as well as Frozen 2. And then the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this little activity pad. I only found one, but it was pretty cute. It just had some different coloring pages, like mazes and things like that, and it came with a little crayon and sticker set in the back. This stuff is always great for Kala. I did not pick it up because, again, trying not to spend, but it is still pretty cute. That does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.